Hello guys, welcome back to Adventist Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial like how we can detect a phishing using a Netcraft. So we already know this a Netcraft is an anti-phishing community. It's a game for a neighborhood watch a scheme, empowering the most alert and most expert members to define everyone within the community. Against a phishing attacks, the Netcraft extensions provides an updated and extensive information about the sites that users visits regularly. It also blocks the dangerous sites. This information will help you to make informed a choice about the integrity of those sites. So first we would like to walk to this in Netcraft. So we would like to look, just click on accept where you would like to look here as apps or extensions. We would like to look here a block and accidental access to a phishing sites and prevent a fraudsters from being able to compromise your online accounts like a fake shops uh, criminals they can do like that. So we would like to get that one. First of all we would like to go for here. I just put here as apps extensions. So here where we can get email protections. This is mobile protection. Now I would like to go for a browser protections. Now I would like to download the browser protection extensions for the Firefox. Let's see. Now even you can run this in private window. Just add, click on OK. Now once this is done, now let's come back here. You just pin to a toolbar in this. Now you can look here uh, everything. If you want to receive an email updates, you can enter here. Now, I can visit, uh, like, I can visit to the, I just went, we would like to walk to our website, club.com. Let's see here. Now, let's see here. You can get it here. First, see everything, the sites reports, site rank. I have got very less a site rank. That's it. You can see everything. So if how you would like to get here, like I didn't get here as uh, in this site report, you can get in the site reports here. So you get all the site informations or XYZ things. That's it. Now let me close this. So now we would like to walk to as another one is we would like to go to as yahoo.com. We would like to look this. Now let's see a country from Ireland, XYZ thing, site rank. So you can click here a site report. You can get a site report from here. So you can look here Ireland IPv4, it was an autonomous system. IP range from here as an Ireland in this region. Now SLRTLS certificate transportancy. Now you can look here a known air trackers were identified and analytics. .com score, com score. So you can look here popular sites with this tracker. You can analyze with this also. So even you can get multiple things here. So you can identify like here for a demonstration purpose, we would like to utilize any one of the targeted website. If any one of the attacker can clone, otherwise utilize the same thing, that will be notified and it will make it as your system very clean, and they will notify you before once you visited here. Now you can look from here and you can understand very clearly concept from here. So this concludes the demonstration of how to detect a phishing using a Netcraft extensions. That's it. You try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.